Hi, everybody. Sorry for the technical difficulties, my first submission, but I'm gonna try to record it and we'll see if we still have any issues. But this is my 5WH concept map for my grant proposal. And really, what I want to research essentially is the relationship between PTSD and working memory in students and adolescents. So, it's definitely challenging to evaluate students directly, especially with the IRB. But the way that I want to go about it is really evaluating mental health programs. There's a website called Mental Health First Aid that provides training to teachers and administrators on how to provide first aid type of care to mental health crises in students, and really just bringing kind of a social emotional awareness to the school and the teaching environment. So really what I want to evaluate is how well do these programs work, specifically Miami-Dade County Public Schools, since that's where I'm living and working right now. And really the reason that the grant money is needed in this community is because suicidality rates and morbidity rate among adolescents and children have really increased since the onset of 2020 with lockdown, and things like that. So my thought is that if we can approach that type of teaching and education in the school system, then there's a preventative factor there that would contribute to the decrease in those kinds of statistics, and really just an increase in healthy behaviors among kids and their parents even as well. So those are the people who will be working on this project. So it'll be school principals, the principal investigator, the principal researcher, different assessors, so people who would go out and gather the data, go out and calculate based off of the guidelines to say, okay, this works well, this doesn't work well, and really just observe and report. And teachers and students, but also their parents as well, to really say, okay, we want to educate the parents as well, so the students are not losing what it is that they're being taught when they leave the school. And it's also always helpful to have parental support within the education system. So if the grant is funded, it would be implemented throughout the school year, depending on when they agree to fund the grant. But it would have to happen when students are in school and teachers are actively teaching. And really, how will I know it's successful? So it would be a statistically significant increase. So, statistically significant meaning that it's measurable, specifically quantifiably. But there would be an increase in healthy student behaviors, and also community members would feel better equipped to handle those types of mental health issues, whether it be, a full-blown breakdown or, even just teaching students how to handle stress, and really just enhancing healthy behaviors in our school system among parents, also among students and teachers as well. So if we're able to see healthy behaviors become second nature to students, then we would know that it has become successful, and then in that the mental health program, the curriculum that's being taught, is effective. So that's my kind of framework going into this grant proposal. And yeah, I look forward to writing the whole thing, and I look forward to hearing your feedback as well. Thank you so much.